You might think doing a coolant change on your Zontes motorbike would be a job for a mechanic in a motorbike dealership. Yet the process is a job that can be done with little knowledge. You just need the know-how. This is where Zontes steps in for its owners. This video will guide you through the coolant change, step by step, giving you satisfaction and saving money in the process. So study the video. Take your time, and take satisfaction in your work. Please go to my channel where you will find many videos on different Zontes bikes as well as your own model. Regards, Mad Mick.
I'm coming for the throne.